Today we're going to cover a car rig. So for those of you that want to get on the road, this is one of the ways to be able to do it. I have got the Delkin Gecko 3 suction cup setup. We're going to see how stable it is, because the other thing that you're seeing right here, this is now the f4 24 to 105 G lens, and it has optical steady shot. I'm going to drive around a little bit with it in this configuration. I'll show you two more configurations, one hooked to the sunroof, and it'll be using the rear view mirror to keep me in frame. And then the third option in the back will be off of the side window, so kind of looking for an over-the-shoulder shot. This is at 24. I actually punched into 50 for that, so I can even get multiple looks just through this. Let's see what we get. Punch in a little bit. Now, with a tighter shot, okay, same exact rig, have changed nothing, the OSS on, active image stabilization, but just changing the focal length, I think you'll start to see some more jitters versus doing this at something nice like 24. If you don't already know this, you will always get a little bit more shake the longer the focal length you go. So if you're looking for the most smooth footage, the things that people always recommend, and I have sussed out that they're correct, is wider is better, because it allows a little bit more of that movement. The IBIS can handle it a little bit easier, or the lens stabilization in this case. Instead of doing it at 24 frames per second, you can do it at 60 frames per second, move that 60 frames per second into slow-mo, and it'll gloss over quite a few of those things. You can also stabilize in post. Now, I have a number of different software options that I have used to stabilize in post, Davinci Resolve being my primary one. Using the stabilization in post, while it can be effective, I feel like I get a lot of jello effect. That's actually what I'm hoping that this lens here is going to solve, that the 24 to 105 will give me a much better out of camera clean shot than just the straight IBIS did. Okay, and if I wasn't freaking out before, this is the rig now. I've got it hooked into the sunroof. I've got it hanging literally upside down. I'll have to flip this in post. And I have got the lens pointed up at the mirror. Let's drive this around and hope to God that it holds. This is the back seat rig here. I was not able to put it on the back glass. I had to put it on the side here. This should be giving me, if you take a look at the screen, a good over the shoulder. Let's hope this whole thing holds. These windows are super cold. It's like 20 degrees out here, 15 degrees out here. So let's hope that everything holds on. So we've now looked at 3 different angles that you can achieve using the Delkin Gecko, but I really want to kick the tires some more on this 24 to 105. Let's get a vlog test in here at golden hour. So this is just straight up handheld. I got it in my hand underneath the camera, and I'm holding on to the lens itself and the kind of like new base plate thing. So this is what you get. And oh my God, there's a guy walking on the ice. This is amazing. I gotta get over here. Okay, here's a running test. if I run? What do I get? Oh my God, I gotta hurry. Oh my God, I really gotta hurry. It's gonna be perfect. This is gonna be perfect. I gotta get over here before he moves too far. Can I move fast enough? Can I move faster than this person is? This is the question. It's like a race. It's like a race against time. Okay, that's incredible. That's absolutely incredible. I just had this person over here walking on the ice just at the right time, and I was like, oh my God, if I can catch him with sunset just rolling over the ice, if I can stand in that little band of light, then I can catch him just inside of it. I have no idea if I did that. I've got gloves on. What if we got a really cool one just randomly? I thought this was gonna be all video. You guys might get a kick-ass photo out of it too. Man, I love photography. Getting to really capture something and take it with you. Getting to let people see things the way that you saw them. There's nothing quite like that. It's freezing cold. I'm getting back in my car. I'm getting the hell out of here. You guys are wonderful. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll see you on the next one.